Supplication to enter mosque.
أعوذ بالله العظيم وبوجهه الكريم وسلطانه القديم من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. اللهم افتح لي أبواب رحمتك.
I seek refuge in Almighty Allah, by His noble face, by His primordial power, from Satan the outcast. In the name of Allah, and blessings and peace be upon the Messenger of Allah. O Allah, open before me the doors of your mercy.